12 January 2019, Shift 2, Paper 2, question number 27. It's also a memory based question. One of extremity of minor axis of ellipse is B, and S dash are faces of the ellipse. Then area of the right angle triangle SBS dash is equal to 8. Then latus rectum of ellipse is equal to 4 options are given. Let's draw the ellipse first. These are the two axes and this is the given ellipse. This is the ellipse. One of the extremity on the minor axis of ellipse B. This is B, and S dash are faces of the ellipse. Here is S and here is S dash and here is S. Then the area of the right angle triangle SBS dash. This is the right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. This is 90 degree and these are same because it is 45 and it is 45. This and this area also same. This and these sides are also same. Now we know here B is equal to A. It shows because this is from this B is equal to A. B is equal to A. Here area of the triangle. Area of the triangle SBS dash is equal to half of it is O, half of S into S dash, half of S dash into OB. This is the area of the triangle, and S dash is equal, this is AE and this is AE. Therefore, half of S dash is equal to 2A into E, and OB is equal to, this is equal to B. Therefore, OB is equal to B. This area is equal to 8. Therefore, AE into B is equal to, and one thing, AE is equal to B. Therefore, B into B means B square. B square is the area of the area of this triangle, and it is given B square is equal to 8. Implies B is equal to 2 root 2. Now we move that from the relation we know relation of ellipse. From the relation of the ellipse is B square is equal to A square minus A square E square, and we know AE is equal to B. Therefore, A square minus AE is equal to B, that is B square, implies 2B square is equal to A square, and we know B square is equal to 8. That implies 2 into 8 is equal to A square. A square is equal to 16, implies A is equal to 4. We know here we solve that A is equal to 4 and B square is equal to 8. Now then latest rectum of the ellipse. Okay. Now latest rectum of the ellipse is equal to 2b square divided by a, and b square is equal to 8 and a is equal to 4. Therefore, latest rectum is equal to 4. This is our answer, and the option is option 1. Option is option 1. That's all.